See, the shop has got a lot more bigger. Still got the same 3 mowers in here. Mower blowers. New sprayer I'm gonna have to show you guys. They're running the Cynics battery, which will be out with me today. And it's been a lot, man. Been out here grinding. So today I'm gonna get you guys out here with me. And we're gonna try to do it, give myself 6 hours to make 550 bucks, maybe 7-ish. So show you how it is once you get the numbers right. And I had to go through it and I had to learn the hard way. I'm talking about the hard way. And now I'm kind of sort of figuring it out. And I got a lot of my people on file with cards. Don't take as much cash. So let me get out here, get loaded up, and we'll get you some of these yards.
Start smoking.
All right, so this will be looking at 550 today, and it's probably gonna actually be about 625 because I got a couple, as you can see, limbs down there. I got a couple spots I gotta do the limbs on and grab the limbs. So I got right there, you see finish line car washes, 3 car washes I'm about to lock down. Just got off the phone with the woman again. She's like, I don't know why it wouldn't be any reason me and you wouldn't be getting down together and getting this price. So let me get out here and get it, and I'll get back with you in just a second. All right, so that's my first one. Got it done. You see how I let on the fence? That's how I ended up getting this job, because somebody was tearing the fence up, guys. One of those bigger companies. So I used 48 to go back there behind there, 61 on the front. It's got a big ditch on the front I got to get into. So that's the first one. It took me like close to an hour, 75 bucks. We'll get over to the next yard. All right, just got this one done. 80 bucks, took a little over an hour, about an hour 10. I'm gonna come back later, pick these up when I take the trailer, and I'm gonna put the rest of it back on the trailer and dump that. So it's number 2, we get to the next one. All right, we got another one down. And this is a pretty messed up property. I believe I showed you guys this at the beginning of the season. So it's another $80 yard. Main thing is just the weed eating around here. That's it. So another $80 property. It's the 3rd one, and if you can see the sky, I'm hearing thunder. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the other ones knocked out, guys, but we're gonna try. So got them loaded up. Like I said, I've been loving these gorilla lifts I put on here. And let's get to the next one. Try to at least. All right, so I gotta get this picked up, put on the trailer so I can get up out of here. All right, guys, one thing I'm gonna be able to tell you is AI will not be replacing what we do anytime soon. If anything, man, we probably will have some equipment that can assist us with AI next to us, but I don't see it replacing lawn care, landscape anytime soon, and that just didn't go for lawn care. I don't see it replacing a lot of things, guys. HVAC, electricians, plumbers, and these are all jobs that are on the decline, and a lot of the guys in these industries are pretty much ready to retire and get out. And it's going to be plenty of money that can be made. AI will not be replacing everything. Now, your basic jobs, yes, AI will be coming in replacing your basic jobs. But far as your real physical work, guys, it won't be replacing it no time soon. We got years before that comes. If anything, we'll be working along some stuff that's going to help assist us while we're out here in the field. But all right, man,
it will not be replacing lawn and landscape.
The water down there.
So
this
is your time to get out, guys. Stack the money,
wet.
get you some autonomous mowers when it comes.
So guys, I was trying to get you a full day of me getting it in, me knocking it out, but the weather, and this is part of it. So I still got a few estimates I got to do this afternoon. I still got some limbs I got to go pick up out of a couple people's yards. I'm gonna go pick up. But guys, if you want to get out here and get started, just grab a mower and get started.
And I'll show you. That's what I first started with right here. This right here. Honda push mower right here. This first right here that I still rock. Got me started. What I've been working with. You know, and it got me to where it's got me at now. See my pole saws up there. Got another pole saw down here. My hedgers I keep over here. My trimmer, edger, some more hedgers. Got all my chainsaws down here, guys. All my sprayers. I'm gonna have to really do a video on that DeWalt right there. My other sprayers right here that I got. So backpack blower number 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, another blower down here, you can see it, which is my Spinix handheld blower, and I will definitely do a whole video on this because this thing right here is a game changer for real. So, guys, I'm gonna show you a whole day. I got it made about 240 bucks. Go pick up some limbs and stuff. It's gonna put me at still about 365 for today. So, which ain't bad. Half a day, got the rain, and 365 for a half a day. I feel like it's really good. Really good, actually. So, guys, if you want to start, just grab your mower, get started, get to grinding. Hate that I've been gone, but I'm back now. Try to get as much content as I am. Try to be consistent as I can with you guys. Get these videos of you guys, because I feel like I've really been doing you guys a disservice. So, I got a lot of short form videos that I've been putting up on Snapchat, sorry about that, on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. Same thing, Boneyard Lawn Service. If you're on TikTok, it's the real Boneyard Lawn Service. Go follow me, and guys, watch me grow. So, see my tool desk over there was nowhere like that a couple years ago, and guys, this just comes from keep constantly putting back into the business, putting back into the business, putting back into the business. I can't preach it enough. You don't want to be out of work, or you don't want to have the work coming and now you don't have the equipment to service your customers like you need to service. Start with one more, get you started, self-started, get to racking up those clients, take care of your clients the best as you can, get referrals, and do that thing one customer at a time, 1 yard at a time. I'm ready to get out of here, and like I say, I have a whole bunch more footage coming. Boneyard Lawn Service. Hit subscribe, it helps the channel. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and I'm up to 5 mowers now. Started 5 years ago, I'm up to 5 mowers now. How many mowers do you own? You own standards, you own zero turns, you own push mowers, what you own? Leave your comments, man. Inspire some guys to get started and make it happen. Holler at you the next one.